Are you looking for a stylish watch that doesn't require batteries? If so, then automatic watches are the perfect choice. No need to fuss about changing out batteries or recharging them, just set them and forget them. In this video, we've rounded up our top 5 picks for the best automatic watches without batteries. Keep watching on to discover which ones made it onto the list. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Number 5. Seiko 5 SNXS79. The Seiko 5 SNXS79 is a timeless classic, perfect for everyday wear. Its stainless steel case measures 37mm in diameter, 13mm thick, and 42mm from lug to lug. It also features 30 meters of water resistance protection for added durability. With its black dial adorning silver tone hands and hour markers along with a day/date display at the 3 o'clock position, this watch sports an elegant yet simple design. The SNXS79 is equipped with the automatic mechanical Seiko caliber 7/26 movement, which is found in a majority of Seiko 5 watches and is Seiko's entry-level sports automatic movement. The movement is not the most accurate, beautiful, or technically advanced, but it does its job exceptionally well. The watch has a power reserve of approximately 40 hours and a frequency of 21,600 vibrations per hour. The Seiko 5 SNXS79 is an excellent timepiece, offering great value for the money. With a lug width of 19mm, stainless steel bracelet with fold-over clasp and safety release, it's suitable to wear every day. Number 4. Hamilton Khaki Field. The Hamilton Khaki Field collection is a perfect blend of military-inspired design and functionality. The Khaki Field automatic watch features a 38mm case size, making it compact and easy to wear. It is equipped with reliable and resilient features that are essential for any expedition. The watch has a black dial and is water-resistant up to 100 meters. The Khaki Field Autochrono, on the other hand, has a 42mm case size and is multifunctional, making it perfect for any adventure. It has a rugged appearance and is water-resistant up to 100 meters. The exclusive H21 automatic caliber ensures precise timing of every move, with an impressive power reserve of 60 hours. The Khaki Field collection is a perfect choice for those who value functionality and durability in their timepieces. Number 3. Orient Bambino. The Orient Bambino is a series of elegant and affordable dress watches that are perfect for formal occasions. The watch comes in different versions, with varying specifications and features. The Orient Bambino 36mm has a case that measures 36.4mm across and 12.5mm thick, with a lug-to-lug measurement of 42mm, a strap width of 17mm, and a water resistance rating of 30 meters. The Orient Bambino 38mm features 22 jewels and a hacking mechanism that allows for precise setting of the time. It has an accuracy rating of +25/-15 seconds per day, which is quite standard in this price range. The Orient Bambino version 2 has a diameter of 40.5mm, a thickness of 11.8mm, and a lug width of 21mm. It features Orient's Caliber F6722 movement, which has hacking and hand-winding functions, and a hardened mineral crystal. The Orient Bambino V4 is a clean and simple timepiece that works perfectly for formal occasions, but also works great as an everyday watch. It has a classic design and is appreciated by many watch enthusiasts. The Orient Bambino version 5 is a solid automatic movement watch from a solid brand with a simple and elegant design. It comes in steel, yellow gold, and rose gold. Number 2. Seiko 5 Sports GMT. The Seiko 5 Sports GMT series is a new addition to the Seiko 5 Sports lineup, offering an affordable and stylish GMT watch. The case and bracelet are made of stainless steel, with a diameter of 42.5mm and a thickness of 13.6mm. The watch features a Hardlex crystal and a see-through screw case back. It has a water resistance of 10 bar and a magnetic resistance of 4800 S/m. The watch is available in 3 colorways, with a black and gray or dark gray and light gray 24-hour GMT bezel and an orange dial. The design of the case and bracelet is inspired by the Seiko SKX series with a 5-link Jubilee-style bracelet and a folding clasp with secure lock. The watch is powered by an automatic GMT movement with manual winding capability, 24 joules, and a power reserve of approximately 41 hours. The Seiko 5 Sports GMT is a great choice for those looking for a stylish and functional GMT watch at an affordable price. Number 1. Citizen ProMaster. The Citizen ProMaster is an amazing dive watch. It has a 200-meter water resistance, which means it is suitable for swimming, showering, or even diving without water damage. The ProMaster uses an automatic movement that doesn't need a battery to function. There is also an eco-drive version that is solar-powered. It's made of high-quality 316 liters stainless steel and is extremely durable. This is a great outdoors and physical activity watch. It also has a dive bezel, which is the ring around the watch. Traditionally, this was used by divers to time the amount of oxygen left in their air tanks. However, you can really use this to time anything you want in your day-to-day. I use the dive bezel on my dive watches to time a variety of things, including cooking, workouts, etc. It's extremely functional. The ProMaster comes in a wide variety of colors to suit your preferences: green, black, Pepsi, red/blue, you name it. If you want a batteryless dive watch that has been around for a long time and holds up to the test of time, the Citizen ProMaster is a classic choice for athletic or casual wear. If you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe to receive the notification spot, our latest video.